Let's take a minute to see some of the scenic highlights before the video begins. Good morning.
Morning.
Carmelita and I are camped in Lemhi, Idaho. For today's adventure, we're taking Trail 6, which I believe is a Jeep trail, up to Mill Creek Lake. We're not sure how rough the road will be, but come along with us and let's see what it's like. You ready to go, Carmelita?
Let's go.
Trail's starting off pretty decent. We built the rocks.
Idaho sky wide open blue. Dust kicks up the razor flue. Carmelita laughs, wind in her hair. James howls like a wolf, no care.
We're in a little over 2 miles. You can already start to see some of the mountains. Look how nice the road is. So far it's been amazing. There's a water standing, but it's pretty shallow.
Circus on the lake, so still. High country whispers.
In a little rough.
Bumps around.
Laughter echoes through the pine. Mountain trails our only sign. Breathe deep, hold tight. Freedom tastes right. Razor to Mill Lake. Feel the
That's the mountain mile. Mountains are beautiful. We've got some snow on it.
The wind it howls like James cry.
Fly.
Carmelita's joy fills the sky. Tracks we leave fade like the day. But this moment it'll never stray.
Sign says Mill Creek.
Ride the razor to Mill Lake. Feel the earth shake, hearts awake. Peace and freedom, high and true.
A lot of snow. I can feel the coolness in the air.
And you.
the lake.
Beautiful.
Totally beautiful, Carmelita.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, surrounded.
Beautiful scenery.
Where you look.
We've made it into Mill Creek, another just stunningly beautiful Idaho lake. The mountain backdrops here at Mill Creek are just stunningly beautiful. Well, Carmelita and I are going to sit here and have a little lunch and enjoy the lake views with the beautiful mountain backdrops. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you'll join us on the next.
See you soon.